What is and what isn't a mold test? Mold testing can be conducted in two main ways: air testing and surface testing. Air testing involves capturing and measuring the concentration of mold spores present in the air. This is typically done using a special device that pulls in a specific volume of air, trapping any mold spores within it. These spores are then sent to a lab for analysis. Surface testing, on the other hand, checks for mold presence on various surfaces in a building. This can be performed through several methods, such as tape lift, swab, or bulk testing. In a tape lift test, a clear tape is pressed against the suspected surface to lift off mold spores for analysis. Swab tests involve rubbing a swab over the area and then sending it to a lab. Bulk testing requires a physical piece of the contaminated material to be sent to a lab for further testing. Some surface trace can be transferred on Petri dishes in the lab to encourage mold growth. These Petri dishes are filled with a nutrient-rich agar, which provides an ideal environment for the mold spores to flourish. The dishes are then sealed and incubated for a specific period of time, typically between 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the type of mold. These methods provide insight into the presence and concentration of mold, helping to determine the necessary steps for remediation. Everything else is not considered a nationally recognized method, no matter what they tell you. We utilize some of their methods to test cleanliness, ATP meter. But we have known licensed mold assessors who use an ATP meter to test for mold. This is not scientifically proven. The Hygiena Ensure Touch system as the gold standard for checking for cleanliness. Their website main page states the Ensure Touch as an advanced cleaning verification and monitoring system that collects, analyses, and reports data from various test devices so you can prove the effectiveness of your cleaning programs. For food processing facilities, testing helps monitor the impact of cleaning and eliminates the risk of cross-contamination. In healthcare, it helps optimize infection prevention and lower HAI rates. Did you hear anything about monitoring for the presence of mold? No, you did not. Don't be fooled by nonsense. Call Cully Enviro at 817-939-1643.